Hello, I'm Dr. Joel Gelfand. I'm a dermatologist at the University of Pennsylvania here in Philadelphia. I'm also a board member for the International Psoriasis Council, the IPC, which is an amazing organization that provides education to our colleagues worldwide to help them provide better care for any person suffering with psoriasis, no matter where you are in the world. And I want to let you know about a symposium I'm directing at the American Academy of Dermatology just before AAD kicks off in San Diego in 2024. And the theme is going to be about providing comprehensive care to our patients with psoriatic disease. We know our patients have a myriad of comorbidities that often impact their health as well as how we can treat them. We'll have some case-based learning, some examples of how to manage people with, say, psoriasis and pregnancy, or psoriasis and solid organ cancer, some of the common things that come up regularly in our clinical practices. We'll also have some real luminaries come and present some of the latest findings out there related to comorbidities and psoriasis. Alvaro Gonzalez-Quintero, a dermatologist from Madrid, will speak about obesity and psoriasis, some of the latest advances in how things like the Mediterranean diet could be used to help these patients, or how GLP-1 agonists could be used to help people with psoriasis and obesity. We'll also have Dr. Evan Ryder, who is a dermatologist and psychiatrist, so uniquely positioned to educate us about how do you address mental health issues in people with psoriatic disease. We'll have Johan Gudjonsson, a real pioneer in the translational science of psoriasis and other inflammatory skin diseases from the University of Michigan, talk about the latest advances in the biological underpinnings between psoriasis and cardiovascular disease. And I'll follow that up with some discussions of the latest findings from clinical practice about what our treatments do to psoriasis and cardiovascular disease, as well as ways we can better utilize guidelines to improve cardiovascular outcomes for our patients. We'll also have Artie Kavanaugh come and speak to us. Artie is a renowned rheumatologist. He'll speak about the latest advances in psoriatic arthritis. So we're really ensured that we know the latest thing to do for our patients. And most importantly, there'll be plenty of time for fellowship and mingling and getting to know one another and trading ideas with this sort of global audience. So I hope you'll join me at the IPC Symposium Thursday, just before the AAD in San Diego, and we'll provide some links to you with this recording for you to register for the meeting. See you in San Diego.